Professora, how do I say grandpa in Brazilian Portuguese? It's vô, with the little hat accent on the O, the circumflex. Vô. Easy. And how do I say I'm going to or I will? That's vou. It means I go, I'm going to, and I will. But in spoken Brazilian Portuguese, we say vou. So wait, vou is grandpa and also I'm going? Yes, same exact sound. Okay, vou. And how do I say flight? That's voo with two O's, no accent. So, vou, vô, and vou. Pretty much, yeah. So, how do I say I'm going to see Grandpa on the flight? Vou ver o vô no voo.